Hey, welcome in. You're listening to the daily version of the Cortland Economics Report. I'm Al Cortland. Appreciate you joining me. This program is being produced on Wednesday, April 20th, exclusively for my friends at Kitco. Chatting with Rick Ackerman right now about what's going on in the markets. Gold traded today so far at a high of $15.07 an ounce. Right now it's $14.97.80 at $14.98. Silver is also doing very, very well right now. It's up a little over $1, $44.97. And the U.S. dollar itself is down on the index. We're down to 74.42 on the index. Given the fact that we were over $1,500 an ounce in silver just a few short minutes ago, and we were in gold, and in terms of silver, we were significantly over $45 an ounce. It's backed off a little bit there. People are probably a little concerned. Is this a weakening that's going to continue, or is this just kind of the fluctuations of daily trading? My personal opinion is this is just a fluctuation of daily trading. When you realize when both sides of the media, the liberal side and the conservative side, are talking about how bad things are economically in the United States and how entitlements need to be cut, et cetera, you know there's a very strong concern out there about what's going on economically, and you know what? This is going to continue to drive the price of gold up. That's my opinion. Rick, what's yours, buddy?
Al, I've got to agree, especially now. I do a tutorial session every Wednesday in real time on real charts, and we looked at some gold and silver targets, and everything looks great. I put out a target on the May silver COMEX contract of $48.04, and my target for June gold right now is $15.81. I like to take them one target at a time, but I don't think there'll be much problem getting to either of those numbers. And I've told my subscribers, some of whom have been bullish on metals all along, and who were just saying, particularly about silver, that it's come too far too fast, that's really the way a great bull market proceeds. You know, things come farther and faster than you expect, but this is definitely no time to bail out.
I think it is absolutely no time to bail out. I would say that for both the metals and also for the stocks of the publicly traded companies that are involved in this particular sector. Real quick, your comment on the stocks, and I'll let you go.
Well, I think one thing you mentioned, that things are going to remain pretty much the same as they are now. The political conditions that have caused stocks to move higher. That's, of course, a response to Fed easing and stimulus, and also the factors that are driving gold and silver. They're just kind of baked into the cake for the foreseeable future. Yeah. And I just think things will keep moving the way they are. It's hard to believe stocks are moving higher because when you look at the real economy, there doesn't seem to be much justification, but the money to do it, to drive stocks on very little volume, is definitely there.
Yeah. Interesting times. Mr. Ackerman, thanks so much, buddy.
Thank you, Al.